Monroe is a global leader in ride performance with 10 globally networked engineering centers and a strategically located manufacturing footprint of 24 locations around the world, maintaining a permanent commercial presence and located on 6 continents. We are everywhere our customers need us to be. In this episode, we're going to talk about the new Monroe Intelligent Suspension, RideSense. The first vehicle suspension systems appeared in the early 1920s. The system used in these first vehicles was a rigid axle with leaf springs, the same system used in carriages pulled by animals, which offered little control and very poor comfort. As the years went by, comfort and safety became more and more important for these vehicle users. These new requirements forced the appearance of new, more advanced designs, such as friction disc dampers, belt dampers, and finally, hydraulic lever dampers, the precursors of the hydraulic telescopic dampers used today in most passenger and commercial vehicles. When electronics were introduced into suspension systems, safety and comfort in vehicles reached levels hardly conceivable a few years before. Monroe, a world leader in suspension products for original equipment and aftermarket, was one of the major companies to develop these kinds of technologies. Since the early 20th century, it has been one of the most active companies in designing and manufacturing suspension systems for passenger and commercial vehicles. Today, Monroe Intelligent Suspension RideSense is the most advanced suspension solution offered by Monroe for the aftermarket and the one that currently gives the best results. The best known and most demanding vehicle builders have therefore equipped their vehicles with this revolutionary system. Monroe Intelligent Suspension puts a superior level of driving experience in the hands of motorists worldwide. Our electronic and hydraulic technology adapts to changes in road surface 100 times per second. Unlike passive suspension, which has only one fixed damper setting, Monroe Intelligent Suspension continually configures damper settings in different situations. When reactions are required, it prioritizes vehicle handling. When it's a matter of enjoying the drive, it intuitively maximizes vehicle performance and driving enjoyment. To do this, Monroe Intelligent Suspension analyzes information from its different sensors. Acceleration sensors, 2 front and 1 rear. Bodywork position sensors located near each of the wheels. And a steering sensor in the steering wheel. These data are analyzed continuously every 10 milliseconds in the system's electronic control unit, which decides which correct force to be applied to each damper. This force can be adjusted independently by means of its electronic valve. There is a solenoid control device in this system that activates a conic cylinder that can be moved at will to allow and prevent oil to pass through the Monroe Intelligent Suspension RideSense valve to harden or soften the damper. The electronic control unit controls the amount of oil passing through this valve by varying the current reaching it between 1.6 amps for sports driving to 0.29 amps for comfort. The Monroe Intelligent Suspension RideSense valve controls the oil passage in both compression and rebound. Therefore, the electronic control unit has precise, almost instant, full control over the compression and rebound forces to be applied in each of the dampers at all times. The safety aspects of these kinds of systems are also very important. In the unlikely case of any damper or the electronic system being damaged, a malfunction signal will appear on the vehicle instrument panel. At the same time, each of the dampers will go into fail-safe mode. That is, they will continue to work as standard dampers until the problem is solved in the workshop. The Monroe Intelligent Suspension RideSense is one of the most versatile and effective suspension systems currently in use. It has been used in all driving situations, including the toughest competitions. It is in this most demanding environment where the Monroe Intelligent Suspension RideSense, in combination with Kinetec technology, has proven to be one of the best suspension systems ever built. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it's helped you to have a better understanding about the Monroe Intelligent Suspension RideSense, the latest and most advanced innovation in Monroe aftermarket range.